Hello friends, welcome back to Way to English. I am Ash.
This is Winnie.
In this video, we are going to tell you about a sentence with positive case and negative case.
Do you speak in English?
In positive case, yes, I do. Negative case, no, I don't.
Does Rahul dance well?
In positive case, yes, he does. Negative case, no, he doesn't.
Did the doctor telephone him?
Positive case, yes, he did. Negative case, no, he did not.
Are you going India?
Positive case, yes, I am. Negative case, no, I am not.
Is she learning Telugu?
Positive case, yes, she is. Negative case, no, she is not.
Was he playing cricket?
Positive case, yes, he was. Negative case, no, he was not.
Were they fighting at college?
Positive case, yes, they were. Negative case, no, they were not.
Have you won the match?
Positive case, yes, we have. Negative case, no, we have not.
Has the terminal arrived?
Positive case, yes, it has. Negative case, no, it has not.
Will you come there?
Positive case, yes, I will. Negative case, no, I won't.
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Positive case, yes, we shall. Negative case, no, we shall not.
Will Rahul write the exam?
Positive case, yes, he will. Negative case, no, he won't.
Would they die in that accident?
Positive case, yes, they would. Negative case, no, they would not.
Should you start now?
Positive case, yes, I should. Negative case, no, I should not.
Can you help me?
Positive case, yes, I can. Negative case, no, I cannot.
Could they succeed in examinations?
Yes, they could. No, they could not.
May she ask about you?
Positive case, yes, she may. Negative case, no, she may not.
Might the president visit UK?
Yes, he might. Negative case, no, he might not.
Must you see her now?
Positive case, yes, I must. Negative case, no, I must not.
Need they stay here?
Positive case, yes, they need. Negative case, no, they need not.
Did her sister used to call you, Rahul?
Positive case, yes, she used to. In negative case, no, she did not used to. So my dear friends, in this video, we told you about sentence with positive and negative cases. So keep on watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.